Okay, we are still in the series of salts. So today we are going to identify 3 types of salts. Then to each salt, we are going to discuss 2 examples so that those examples can help us to identify these 3 salts separately. Okay, so number 1, we have a normal salt. Then number 2, we have an acidic salt. Then 3, we have a basic salt. So these are the main 3 types of salts. We have a normal salt, acidic salt, and the basic salt. So the best way you can identify these salts separately, first of all, you have to know the examples. There are other ways, but the simple way you can able first to identify the examples. Okay. So examples. Example for normal salt, sodium chloride. Also we have barium sulfate. Okay. Then examples of acidic salt, we have sodium hydrogen carbonate. We also have calcium hydrogen carbonate. Then basic salts, we have sodium hydroxide. We also have calcium hydroxide. Okay, so the examples of a normal salt, we have sodium chloride and the barium sulfate. Then the examples of acidic salt, we have sodium hydrogen carbonate and the calcium hydrogen carbonate. Then examples of a basic salt, we have sodium hydroxide and we have calcium hydroxide. Okay, so now how can you know that this is a normal salt, this is acidic salt, this is a basic salt? The best and simple way you can able to identify these, a basic salt always contains the hydroxide ions, same as here. Okay, then acidic salt always contains hydrogen ion. Then in a normal salt, there is no presence of hydrogen ion. Also, there is no presence of hydroxide ion. Okay, so a normal salt is also known as a neutral salt. It is called a neutral salt because it is formed when a strong acid reacts with a strong base or a strong alkaline. Then the other name for basic salt is also known as the alkali salt. Okay, so these are the many types of salt, which is a normal salt, acidic salt, and the basic salt. Then the examples which can help you to identify, to know a basic salt, acidic salt, or a normal salt.